Capsule at Hive Bugis is located right in the heart of Singapore, so it's perfect for tourists who want to be close to all the major attractions. It is in a great neighborhood, Bugis, which is known for its shopping, street food, and vibrant atmosphere. The staff here are amazing. Everyone's super welcoming, and they really make sure you feel right at home from the moment you walk in. The vibe here is very social, which is great if you're traveling solo and want to meet new people. The common areas are one of the best things about Capsule at Hive Bugis. If you're into cooking, the kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need. We've got this really chill lounge area where you can just kick back and relax, or if you need to get some work out, there's a co-working space with fast Wi-Fi. It's also a great place to meet other travelers. Now, let's talk about the rooms. I stayed in one of the dorms, and it was definitely a comfortable and cozy spot. There are lockers to keep your stuff secure, which is always a must for me. The beds are super comfy, and each bed has its own little privacy curtain, so you get your own space. Location-wise, Capsule at Hive Bugis is unbeatable. You're just a short walk from Bugis MRT station and Village Hotel Bugis bus stop, so it's easy to get around the city. There are also tons of cafes, shops, and even a hawker center nearby, so you will never run out of things to do or places to eat. One thing I really liked was how clean the bathrooms were. There are plenty of showers and toilets, so you don't have to wait around. The place is really well maintained, which is always a big plus for me. The best part, it's really affordable for what you're getting. Overall, I had such an amazing time staying at Capsule at Hive Bugis.
Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa Terminal 1 sa Changi Airport, and then kasi pauwi na tayo ng Pilipinas, and then although nakapag online check-in na ako kasi meron ako check-in baggage, so machine na ako dito na yung bag tag, at saka after makuha ng bag tag doon yung bag, okay, wala ng tao sa machine. So ito yung Terminal 1. Okay, let's get our backpack. Okay.
A few moments later.
Ito na yung boarding pass natin. Open pa yung backpack. Okay. Kapit na natin. Tapos nag-move. Manila ER 390. Hi guys, so tapos na tayo ng online check-in. Nakapag-print na rin tayo ng bag tag, and then we're done na rin sa bag drop, and then meron na rin tayo boarding pass. Yun nga, nakapag-print na tayo ng boarding pass. So yung boarding time natin is 2:05 kasi yung flight natin is 2:50 PM, and 10:45 pa lang naman. So, nasa mga 3 hours pa naman tayo dito. So, may time pa tayo para maglibot ng konti. Kasi nandito sa Terminal 1, tapos pwede naman tayong tumawid doon. Doon. Sa Jewel. Siguro pwede tayong maglibot-libot doon, tapos kain lang. Kasi lunch time naman na. Almost lunch time naman na. Sige. Doon muna tayo sa Jewel. Lakad-lakad. So, ito yung Terminal 1. So, may nag-assist lang. Wala na talagang mga staff dun sa check-in baggage. As in, lahat sa machine na. Nakita nyo naman yung bag drop kanina. Ayun. High-tech lang masyado, di ba? Ayaw ko lang sa ibang airport, sa ibang bansa kung may ganyan na. So, dito pala yung nakita kong may ganyan. Okay? So, tabi na tayo. Sa kabila.
Tulog tayo.
Pero pwede naman doon sa loob. Sa split. Mababa ka lang. Pero pwede naman din dito. Pick up. Tingnan sa Jewel. Mas katapat lang yan, Terminal 1 na. Ano mo? Okay.
Eh, boleh prinsip.
Ito yung Jewel.
Pinag na sa'yo?
Ito yung bubungan sa inyo. Ito passenger. So, yun yung Terminal 1. Doon yung terminal.
What ticket?
Dito na tayo sa Jewel. Just in case guys, hindi kayo nakapag-book online activities dito sa Jewel. Meron naman dito. Pwede dito na lang bumili sa level 4. Yes, kasi lahat activities is nasa level 5. Yan. So, makita tayo dito sa level 3. Okay. So, dito lang tayo umorder sa Burger King. Hindi na tayo masyado lumayo. Kasi, masyadong malawak yung airport. Saka mas malapit at naman sa Manila. So, ito yung C-22.
Your
Yung boarding
attention,
gate natin.
speaking passenger Chen Xie.
So,
One
250
passenger Chen Xie.
ang flight. So,
Order from
215
passport
ng
is
boarding
now
time.
taken.
Plus loss of lang naman sa Peter Pan. Siya. Yeah.